The biggest financial trap is getting paid only once. Stop trading time for money by building recurring income. Every hour worked has an income ceiling. Stop working. Your paycheck stops too. That's why most people stay stuck. They keep selling time. The wealthy build systems. Systems keep producing after the work is done. I found one using a 7-level matrix. It rewards team growth, not just personal effort. It also includes marketing tools, an autoresponder, lead capture pages, digital resources, everything in one membership. The goal isn't working harder. It's creating leverage. Here's the shift. Freedom doesn't start with millions. It starts with building recurring income. One system, one decision, compounding over time. If you're ready to explore a different path, the link is in the description and comment boxes. Please give me a like.